Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item that the company did send me and did compensate me to make a review on. So this is a set of 5 signs. These are metal movie decor for your home. So you can set them up in your home, you can put them in your bedroom, you can put them in your office, you can put them in your movie theater section, the kids room, doesn't really matter. There's 5 different signs here. We have like a movie ticket, we have a camera, a popcorn bucket, as you can see here, a movie reel, and this is like a slate when they do the action. It says action here, lights and camera, that's that movie slate, and there's 5 different ones, and they do come with the mounting screws as well. So you can screw these on the wall if you want to, you can use Velcro if you want to, or you can just hang them from the ceiling. Whatever's easy, whatever you want to do, totally up to you. They're really quite nice. You can see they're nice and large, they have a good size to them. They're all black matte, as you can see here, and my favorite is probably the popcorn. I like the popcorn one quite a bit. That's really fun. And the movie camera. I'm just going to give you a couple of quick sizes to give you an idea on the size of these so you know when you're ordering them. So the movie reel is around 9.5 inches across. You can see right here. I'll show you that real quick. It has around 9.5, closer to 10 actually to the end. Nope, 9.5 right there. You can see that 9.5 inches across and by 7. So that's the size of this. These are good size props. They're not small. The actual clapboard itself is approximately 7 by 9, that's the size of the clapboard. The movie ticket, take a look at that real quick. This movie ticket is approximately 9 inches by 5.5 inches there. The popcorn bucket, again, it's one of my favorites, is around 9, and this is also around 7. And the camera is, let's go across here, 8.5 by about 9. Now these are all made out of metal. All out of pressed sheet metal, so you can see the back and the front, they're equal, so you can put them either way how you want it. You can have them facing this way or have them face the other way. It doesn't really matter. Again, you can set them up at any look you want. You can put 3 on one side, 2 on another side. You can kind of really decorate and have a lot of fun with this kind of stuff. I love these kind of things. Decorate your home, decorate the kids' room. If you have a theater room in your house, these are perfect for that. It's a good quality. I definitely got to recommend these. They're exactly what they state. They're metal, high quality, come with all the mounting screws just like you see here, and you're good to go. So totally up to you how you want to do it. You can play with it any which way you want. Definitely the way to go. I love them. Appreciate your time. Hope I brought you some value. If I did, don't forget to follow the channel for more videos to teach you a little bit about everything there is when it comes to shopping online. I appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching.